Hey there, welcome back to today. We're diving into a topic that's incredibly important for teenagers everywhere: financial literacy. That's right, we're going to be talking all about budgeting, saving, investing, and understanding credit. So if you're a teen looking to take control of your finances and build a secure future, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about budgeting. Now, I know the word budget might sound a little intimidating, but trust me, it's not as scary as it seems. A budget is simply a plan for how you're going to spend your money. It helps you make sure you're not spending more than you earn and allows you to prioritize your expenses. For example, you might want to budget for essentials like food and transportation, as well as things you enjoy, like going out with friends or buying new clothes. Here's a basic budgeting example. Let's say you earn $100 a month from your part-time job. You might decide to allocate $30 for transportation, $20 for food, $20 for entertainment, and $30 for savings. This way, you know exactly where your money is going and you can avoid overspending. Next, let's talk about saving. Saving money is an essential part of building a secure financial future. It allows you to prepare for emergencies, achieve your goals, and ultimately, achieve financial independence. There are many ways to save money, whether it's putting aside a portion of your allowance or earnings each month, or finding creative ways to cut expenses. One simple saving strategy is the 50-30-20 rule, where you allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. Another strategy is to set specific savings goals, whether it's saving for college, a car, or a rainy day fund. Whatever method you choose, the key is to make saving a priority and stick to your goals. Now, let's talk about investing. Investing might sound like something only adults do, but it's actually a powerful way to grow your money over time. When you invest, you're putting your money to work for you, earning returns through things like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. There are many different investment options available to teens, from investing in individual stocks to opening a retirement account like a Roth IRA. The important thing is to start early and invest consistently over time. Even small amounts of money can grow into significant sums thanks to the power of compounding. Finally, let's talk about understanding credit. Credit is an important aspect of personal finance that can have a big impact on your financial future. It's essentially your ability to borrow money and pay it back over time. Understanding how credit works can help you build a strong credit history and score, which is important for things like getting a loan or credit card in the future. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that reflects your creditworthiness. It's based on factors like your payment history, credit utilization, and length of credit history. By using credit responsibly, paying your bills on time, and keeping your credit card balances low, you can build a solid credit history and score that will serve you well in the future. And there you have it, folks. A crash course in financial literacy for teens. Remember, the key to financial success is knowledge and discipline. By mastering these essential money management skills, you'll be well on your way to a bright and secure financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.